A new factor in the brain leads to better treatment of depression. The word meaning of depression is low, down, less than normal. And that is what people with depression often feel like. But a team from the University of Michigan Medical School and the Pritzker Neuropsychiatric Disorders Research Consortium reveals depression can mean something of too much. Elise Auerbach, a neuroscience doctoral student who is the first author, report their results in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences. The discovery, about a protein called fibroblast growth factor 9 or FGF9, goes against previous findings that depressed brains often have less of key components than non-depressed brains. People with major depression had 32% more of FGF9 in a key part of their brain than people without the condition. They made the finding using post-mortem brain samples from the Pritzker collection. Raising FGF9 levels artificially led to depression-like behavior changes, and repeated social stress caused brain FGF9 levels to rise. The levels of several other fibroblast growth factors were down when FGF9 was up, suggesting that the entire system for regulating cell growth and development in the brains of depressed people were altered. This is the first time FGF9 has been identified as related to depression, and found to be active in critical area of the brain, specifically in the hippocampus. The hippocampus is a crucial area of the brain for memory, learning and stress control. It has been found to be smaller in people with depression, and this is thought to be the result of chronic stress that affects the health of brain cells in that region. The findings provide more evidence that depression is a physical illness. If FGF9 or its effects prove to be a good target for drugs, this can eventually lead to better medications for the mental health condition that affects millions of people. Drugs that block excess production of something in the body generally cause fewer side effects than drugs aimed at increasing something. So it gives hope for the development of a new class of antidepressants with fewer side effects. Fixing depression is not easy, because it's a disorder at the level of the circuits that connect brain cells, and many regions of the brain are involved. The team is performing more experiments to determine why FGF9 production rises and to see how it affects communication among brain cells. They hope their work will lead to a search for medications to affect FGF9 levels, but more cautious about the action of the molecule on other systems. Thank you, hoping for a cheerful future.